Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this mathematics period. Today we have chapter 11, construction. From this chapter, one question is set in the board exam. Now you see what are the things which you have to learn in this chapter. First, I would like to remind once again the construction of similar triangles from this chapter has been deleted. So, you have to learn to divide a line segments of some measurement in some equal parts, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 like that. And second, you have to divide a line segment of given measurement in some ratios. So first you have to learn how will you divide a line segment in the some given equal parts or in the given ratios. And second thing, in the circle, you have to learn how will you draw a pair of tangents to a given circle from an external point. So these two are in the chapter construction. And to draw similar triangles, this topic has been removed for this session. So first you see, I have written two questions. First is, how will you divide the line segment in given some equal parts? So now you see, this is a geometrical box I have brought for you. Now you have to learn how will you divide line segment of 5.6 cm. This measurement may be any measurement, so nothing is to be worried about the given measurement. So 5.6. So you take a scale and with help of that you draw a line segment of 5.6. Suppose this is a 6.6, so you will take. So this is AB. AB is a line segment of 5.6 cm. First construction step of construction, first you draw a line segment of 5.6 cm. Now you see you have to divide into 7 equal parts. So at point A you draw an acute angle. Sir, why acute angle? Because if you draw obtuse angle, that the figure will be very, very lengthy. So for convenience point of view, we have drawn at point this angle, acute angle. This is acute angle. Acute angle, you know, the measure the angle whose measurement is between 0 and 9. Now you see how many equal parts? 7. So by any distance, for convenience point of view, you divide this ray. This is ray. Suppose this is AX. So step number 2, first we have drawn a line segment. Second, we have drawn BAX angle, acute angle. Now you see you have to divide into 7 equal parts. So with any measurement, you divide this ray 1, 2 equal parts. And what will be the length of equal? That will be for convenience point of view. There is no any definite measurement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have taken these, we have divided this AX into, suppose this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. And these are equal. A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, A3, A4, A4, A5, A5, A6, A6, A7. Next, we join B to A7. ये इसको हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, इसको हम ज्वाइन करते हैं. And now you see, from each point you draw parallel to this line. 7 equal parts, so parallel के लिए मालूम है कि this angle, you draw the angle equal to this angle at every point. And the line will be parallel. Asa, suppose this is a line segment, and suppose this is a line. So how will you draw the, suppose from here you have to draw the parallel. So we make the angle equal to this at this point. We draw an arc and we measure these two and you cut this arc. Now you join this line, so that line will be the parallel of this. ये इसका parallel होगा. उसी तरह से from all these points you draw. So first you measure by any distance. Suppose this is, so from here you cut this line like this, and this will be equal. अब ये इसको फिर से हम नाप लेते हैं इनको. We measure this portion and from this point we cut. इस तरह से यहाँ छोड़ दिया है. इस तरह से इसको हम काट देते हैं और इसको यहाँ से मिलाते हैं. We join from here. So ये जो लाइन है इसका पैरेलल आ जाएगा. यस, इस तरह से. So this is the method to divide a line segment in some equal parts. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. So this is the method to divide a line segment into some equal parts, 7 or 5 or 4 like this. Now you see some modification of another question. To divide a line segment into a given ratio. Ratio में दिया रहेगा, you will find the sum of ratios. You will find sum of the ratios. So here is 3:2, so 3 plus 2, 5. And now ditto process. Now you draw a line segment of given measurement, suppose 7 cm, and you make an acute angle here. Acute angle, you know very well, the measurement between 0 and 90. If the sum of ratios 5 have 5 equal parts is the cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you suppose AB is a line segment that is of measurement 7 cm, and this is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. These are taken from this ray. Now you join B to A5. इसको यहाँ से हम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं, ये देखिए. Now you see the ratio 3:, or say we shouldn't try to divide into 5 equal parts. We have to only find ratio 3:1, 2, 3. From this point you draw parallel to this line. So for that you draw an angle equal to from 3. इसको मेजर कर लीजिए. Now from here you cut. Now you join. So this line segment will divide the given line segment in the ratio 3:2. ये हो गया P. ये जो रेशियो आ गया AP:PB is equal to 3:2. This is the method to divide a line segment in the sum ratio. Now justification. How will you justify whether we are right? Now you see in this triangle AB, A5, this is parallel to this. So by Thales theorem, you know, a line is drawn parallel to one side in a triangle. It divides other sides in the same ratio. But this ratio is, ये देखिए 3:2. This ratio is 3:2. A by A3 is equal to A3 by A5. So this AB will be also divided in the same ratio. So this is 3:2. So this will be also 3:2. इस तरह से, so this is the first construction. I would like to remind once again how will you, in very short, you see, first is to divide a line segment of given measurement 5.6 cm into 7 equal parts, 5 equal parts. You pass the step number 1. Step of construction you have to mention. The step of construction number 1, draw AB of 5.6 cm. Step number 2, we draw BAX, acute angle. Step number 3, we cut AA1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A3, A4 from AX. And from every point A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, we draw parallel to BA7. So parallel draw करेंगे, and this line will divide the given AB into 7 equal parts. AX is equal to, ये आ जाएगा AX is equal to XY is equal to YZ is equal to JP, ZP is equal to PQ is equal to QR is equal to R. In this way, this line segment is divided into 7 equal parts. And now if you have to divide a line segment in some given ratio, the only point you have to remember, find the sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio is 5. So same process. AB, we draw a line segment of 7 cm. We draw BAX, acute angle, and we take 5 equal parts, 3 plus 2, 5 from AX. लेकिन यहाँ from every point we don't draw the parallel, only whatever the required. So the ratio is 3:2. So from third point we draw parallel to this, process will be same. And this parallel if you draw, so this AB is divided at point P. This AP is 2PB is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 3:2. So this is the construction. in construction chapter. Tomorrow I will explain how will you draw pair of tangents. So that's all for today. Chapter 11, construction, and similar triangle has been deleted. Thank you and have a nice day.